Hey YouTube, just took a little bit of time and re-loomed all my subwoofer, winch, second battery wires, all my auxiliary stuff like my inverter wire, and then my trailer brake system wire. I went ahead and put it in this nice new fresh loom going around the top there, around the original wiring, and then it goes into this corner and kind of tees, partially going into the cab, the rest coming up here on this wire up. Probably put him in a loom coming from down there this way. And then I'm gonna have loom coming up and down into that plug that we installed on that last video. And here we are right now, getting ready to cut the loom to length and then start zip tying it back together. And then I'm gonna shove it back in and reconnect to the battery. And that's just a quick little short update to the winch disconnect. Quick little update. I got my receiver hitch in. So next step for this is going to be welding this to some angle iron. It's gonna ultimately have my winch plate on it on the front of this. But for now, this is what we got. And as you can see, it slides through and there is the crank. So basically what we're gonna do, slide this guy in, get it, it'll probably bottom out about right here. Then we take this guy and this guy, keeper pin, will go under here. I can do it from the outside, just kneeling down, but for you guys, I'm gonna show you. And it fits through this factory hole, and then we just pin it on the other side. And the cool thing is the handle, the way it fits in here, you can't rotate your handle the wrong way where your cotter pin has to go down or uphill straight. So you always know where your pin's gonna be. And then this is perfectly, you know, no obstructions. So that'll be pretty cool. The only bad thing is if you were ever in a wreck and somehow, you know, the slide-in piece got ejected from the front of the plate, the winch mounting plate, it could launch into something, but I really doubt that would ever happen. But it is a thought that you might have to think of if you go this route. But I deemed it potentially not a problem. So that's an update alongside the loom. I got some pictures. I might run you through the process that we did welding it, but that'll only take about a minute of all the pictures to roll through a little slideshow. I didn't take any videos because I had a friend help me and I didn't want to waste his time when he helped me weld that in. Could have done it myself, but I know he's a much better welder, so I figured why not let him do it. So thank you, Clint, for welding that in. Appreciate it, man. And here shortly I'll be welding the angle iron to that and building the winch plate, and hopefully soon after that buying my winch. Y'all have a good one. Take care. Bye. God bless.